Welcome to Static Model Mayhem. On this episode, we'll continue working on the Timberwolf mech. We have primed everything, masked a few places, and we're going with the final, within reason. We're going with the actual color instead of the green primer. As usual, give it a good shake. I'm quite happy today since I got some spare parts for my airbrush. Due to a minor incident, both my needle and nozzle got damaged. But frankly, we're back in business. I've replaced the old 0.4 setup that I was using with a 0.45, since I'm mostly spraying thick paints, in other words Vallejo acrylics. I needed a bigger nozzle to avoid clogging and overall blockages. Right. Just a bit more. A bit more thinning. If you see paint going to the transparent part, don't worry, we have liquid mask on them. So let's see what this new setup can do. Not bad. Not bad at all. Thank you, compressor. I might leave some primer showing through instead of full coverage with Vallejo's brown violet. We'll see. So far I'm very impressed with the new setup. Although I'm spraying quite thick mixture, bad at all. Fine. Thank you, compressor. Get me there. Now for the big one. I think we need more paint. Thank you, compressor. We need a bit more paint, so we'll go for a second mix. Again, brown violet from Vallejo, whatever. It's up to you how you pronounce it. It's quite thick, so I'll have to thin it substantially more. Airbrush thinner and the magic stuff, flow improver. Mix it thoroughly. I fell quite a bit behind from my painting schedule as I was waiting for the Harder and Steamback Evolution spare parts, but we've managed it. Let's go for the second coat. That's better. Much better compared to Thank you, compressor. Compared to the previous mix, not sure if you can hear it, but the airbrush sounds a lot healthier than the previous mix. Thank you, compressor. You know what? I'm starting to enjoy that green and brown mix. And we're out of paint. Let's try and squeeze just a bit more of this brown violet. Just a bit. I'm not going for full coverage, just want to give some kind of color variation in green, brown, and anything in between. Thank you, compressor, for the third time. So this concludes our Timberwolf episode for now. We're going to let these pieces dry and perhaps we'll be back for a second coat. We'll see. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.